Hello! Welcome back to the Berdu channel. In this video, we will learn how to create a pop-up window that appears on your website and how to set when this pop-up will appear. A pop-up is a small window that appears on top of a web page to grab the visitor's attention. Pop-ups are also used to increase signups, display promotions, gather feedback, and more. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu channel. Click the like button below and turn on the notification bell as well. From your website's dashboard on Berdu, go to Layout. You can create this pop-up on custom pages or the main page of the website. Let's use the main page as an example. This is the website page where we will add the pop-up window. If you want to know how to create a website page like this from scratch, click the link below. Now, to create a pop-up, add a new section, search for the pop-up section. This is the default pop-up view. You can customize the pop-up appearance just like when you edit other pages. Starting with this default text, you can edit it by clicking Settings here, then edit the text as needed. You can also add other sections like Image section, Video, Form, Product List, and more into this pop-up. To do this, just add a new section and choose which section you want to insert. For example, here I will add the Collect Data Form section. In this form, I will insert fields for the visitor's name and email address. First, delete the two default inputs here, edit and adjust the first input. Add a new input and change its type to email. Then edit the name and placeholder. Just like other sections, you can still change the design of the appearance. Adjust it according to your style and color preferences. Next, to make it more appealing, I will add an icon to this Submit button. If you want a full detailed tutorial about the Collect Data Form section and how to design it, click the link in the description. When you're finished, click Done. If needed, feel free to add other sections as well. Now, to set the width of this pop-up section, you can slide the width slider here. Then, the corner radius of the pop-up box can also be adjusted, from none to larger. You can also set when this pop-up window appears, with the Show When settings here. There are several options such as button click, immediately, wait after, and after interaction. If you choose button click, it means the pop-up will open when the website visitor clicks a button. But you also need to create a button that targets this pop-up. We will discuss this in the next video. The immediately option means the pop-up will appear as soon as the website finishes loading. For wait after, you can set how many seconds after the website finishes loading the pop-up will appear. The duration options are here, from 1 second to 90 seconds. For example, if we choose 10 seconds, the pop-up will appear exactly 10 seconds after the website finishes loading. Next, for after interaction, it means the pop-up will appear after the visitor interacts with the website, such as clicking or scrolling. For this time, let's choose after interaction. You can name this pop-up by filling in the pop-up name field here. This helps in easily selecting the pop-up when you've created many, so you won't be confused, especially when you've made a lot of pop-ups. Lastly, we can change the design of this pop-up by going to the container and changing the background. Here you can choose from color, image, gradient, to pattern. You can adjust the options to your liking. If you're finished, don't forget to click Done, Save, and view the page. All right, the page has loaded, but the pop-up hasn't appeared yet. Since we chose after interaction earlier, the pop-up will appear after we move the cursor. Now, the pop-up has appeared and can be filled out by website visitors. But this pop-up is optional, so website visitors can click close if they do not want to sign up and continue browsing. All right, we hope this video is helpful, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. In the next video, we will discuss how to create a pop-up that appears after a button is clicked. Like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu channel for more tutorial videos. Also, don't forget to follow Berdu's social media accounts for more interesting content. See you!